Student, I, Soumen sir, lecturer in mechanical engineering. Today we are going to learn different operation on lathe. Part 1. In part 1 we are learn 4 lathe operation. Number 1 centering, number 2 facing, number 3 turning, number 4 parting off. First, centering lathe operation. This is the figure of centering operation. This is the job. This is chuck. This is center deal. Deal is fit in this direction. In centering, where the work is required to be turned between center or between a chuck and a center, a conical shape hole must be provided at the both ends of the workpiece to provide bearing surface for lathe center. For holding life center and dead center, centering is required on both end surface. When holding the job in chuck and other side in dead center, then only one end of the job required to be centering. So the operation of producing conical hole in the faces, both faces or one faces of the job is called centering. This is done with a view to support the job between lathe centers, life center and dead center, or when job is held in between chuck and dead center. Now, first, the center of the face of the job is find out, and a deep indentation, deep mark is made by a center punch and a hammer. Conical hole is produced by rotating the combination center deal. The conical hole has included angle 60 degree to accommodate the lathe center having included angle 60 degree. Okay, now what is facing? Facing operation, facing lathe operation. This is the figure of facing operation. This is the workpiece. This is facing tool. Facing tool fit in this direction, perpendicular direction. This is the dead center. This operation is almost essential for all workpiece. It is the machining operation of producing flat ends of the job. perpendicular to the longitudinal axis. Okay. The workpiece is open, held in a chuck. Workpiece is held in a chuck and the facing tool is fit. Facing tool is fit perpendicular to the axis of rotation of the workpiece with the help of a cos light. Okay. Next, turning operation, turning lathe operation. This is the figure of turning operation. This is the workpiece. Workpiece is held between the life center and dead center. This is the turning tool. In turning, it is the removal of material from the outside diameter of a workpiece to obtain one or more finished diameter, to obtain required diameter. The surface may be a continuous diameter, surface may be continuous diameter, surface may be step diameter or tapered. Okay. Here job is held between center, life center and dead center or chuck. The longitudinal fit is given to the tool either by hand or power. Okay. Now, parting of operation, parting of lathe operation. This is the figure of parting of operation. This is the figure of parting of operation. This is first operation. This is finishing operation. This is the chuck. This is the workpiece. This is parting of tool fit in here. This is chuck. This is workpiece. Workpiece is already parting off. Parting of tool is fit perpendicular to the longitudinal axis. In parting of operation, job is separate one part of workpiece from other. Here, cut, depth of cut, cut is made to a depth that equal to the radius of a bar or workpiece. The operation of cutting a job in pieces, in two pieces, is called parting off. The job is rotated in the lathe while parting of tool is cos fit. Cos fit means perpendicular to the longitudinal axis. Parting of tool is cos fit into the job very slowly until the tool reaches to the center of the job. Okay. It is clear, my student. Thank you.